Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Lovo AI, generate text-to-speech audio step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Lovo AI website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the Login button. This button is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. If you want the site to remember your credentials, check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in your details, click on the Login button. Wait for the page to refresh and take you to your dashboard. If your login information is correct, you will see your dashboard displaying various features. If you encounter an issue, check for any error messages on the screen. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you are logged in successfully, you can start generating text-to-speech audio. Explore the available tools and features for your audio creation needs. You are now ready to use Lovo AI for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.